Today, we are building a vibration detection system. First, here is the Arduino Uno, the brain of our project. Next, we use a 128 by 64 I2C OLED display to visualize our real-time waveform. It communicates with the Arduino using the SDA and SCL pins to draw the graphics smoothly. When there is no vibration, it shows a stable flatline, which changes instantly when a shake occurs. Finally, here is the SW420 vibration sensor, which detects any shakes or movements. This is the circuit diagram of our vibration detection system using Arduino Uno. First, we have the SW420 vibration sensor. Its out pin is connected to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Next, the I2C OLED display is connected to Arduino's A4 SDA and A5 SCL pins for communication. A 5-volt battery provides power, with all components sharing a common ground connection. When a vibration is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the Arduino, which then displays a real-time wave on the screen. First, we include the necessary libraries to control the OLED display and define its screen size, 128 by 64 pixels. The SW420 vibration sensor is connected to digital pin 2. We use an array called yvals open bracket 128 close bracket to store 128 pixel points, which creates the scrolling wave effect across the screen. Inside the loop, all stored pixel values are shifted to the left by 1 position. This creates a continuous scrolling waveform effect from right to left. If the sensor detects a shake, it triggers a 1.5-second timer. During this time, the display shows a fast, random zigzag wave representing the vibration. Otherwise, it stays as a flat line. Now, let's test the project. As you can see, when we shake the sensor, the OLED screen instantly displays the vibration waveform.